Everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This is Ed. And Amelia's right there helping Abby film. We're the TheRcSaylors. Welcome to our RC family. Today we're at the airfield on a club day. It's a nice busy day. People are actually flying and having a good time. A little cold, but I'm so excited to fly this. We got out in the cold. This is a plane that Ed helped me find. It's called a SIG. You want to tell them about the engine that's on board really quick?
Yeah, sure. So this is a SIG Somethin Extra, your standard sports plane. So this engine is an OS 46 FX, and it's a very popular engine among the community. I like to think of OS of your Ford as your Ford of engine manufacturers. They're kind of reliable and just standard. You know, they're good for just about all applications. So the plane is designed for a 40 to a 46. So this is on the upper end of the spectrum in terms of what the plane should have on it. So we were able to get it started up, no problem. We put fuel in the tank and flipped the prop, and away it went.
And it's a two-stroke engine, right?
This is a two-stroke, yes.
Yeah. So Ed went to a swap meet. He got a good deal for us. The SIG itself, this is not something you can just buy from our link like we usually have, but we'll do our best to find all the parts. This was a kit. Someone built this from a box of wood, probably an all-winter project, and then put it together with the skin on the outside and everything. And we got it for a steal. It was $100 for us with the engine, 5 Tactic servos installed. The airplane, all we needed was a receiver and a battery. So I highly encourage you guys to go out to swap meets. If you can't afford new stuff, get something used, get something in the air. That's what this hobby's all about.
That's my favorite part right there.
Yeah, the old man. Plus when you get it used and you don't pay as much for it, you don't feel as bad when you crash it. So this is my first glow engine plane that I will have, with Ed's help, get this in the air, and it's mine. So I'm very excited to show you guys part of my experience with glow engines, and I hope there's more of those in the future. You'll probably see a little bit more Ed on the channel. Remember the Hubson Zeno video? We got some shots of Ed and his girlfriend Liz flying. It's all about, you know, getting out with friends and enjoying the hobby together. So we're going to put this in the air and fly it and have some fun. I'll let you know the pros and cons, and then we're actually going to do some chase drone footage too. And for the first time ever, we're going to have someone else flying the plane, and I'll be flying the race drone instead of Abby flying the plane to get those chase drone shots, hopefully. So let's have some fun. Too much elevator. That's all right. It's in the air. How's it sound, Ed?
Sounds good, man.
Okay.
It's opening up.
Yeah.
Need any help trimming?
I got it.
All right.
Okay, glow! What do you know, it flies like electric, but it sounds cool. All right, let's get some lower, closer flybys so you guys can hear this a little better too. Yeah, this is nice.
And that looks good.
How you doing, Abby?
Good.
Tracking it okay?
Yeah, it's a little bright today, so hopefully this is in focus.
just kind of enjoying the flight. This is really a good experience for me. I'm not talking a lot, I'm just enjoying flying. It's not even leaving much of a smoke trail, is it?
Nope.
Actually, as
Well, I lost you for once.
I just did a loop.
the tuning in the air is a little different than the tuning on the ground. So when you're in the air, since the velocity of the plane is moving forward, the prop can actually speed up, and it does what we call opening up in the air.
Okay.
So if you have it perfectly at its highest RPM on the ground, it's actually going to be leaner in the air.
Okay.
So when you find that sweet spot tuning it on the ground, you actually want to richen it up a little bit to compensate for when it opens up in the air.
Cool.
So might be a tad lean right now, but that's the cool thing about Nitro. You get it on the ground, you do a little more tuning, and it flies even better the next time.
That's awesome, man. Thing's flying really well. It's a
Oh man,
really good
it looks
find.
beautiful up there. Makes me want to look for a SIG.
Well, you get to fly this next, and I'll do those awesome drone shots that everyone's watching. Actually need just a hair down. Keeps climbing up at the end of my passes.
Yeah, it's another exciting thing about Nitro. As you burn fuel, the center of gravity changes.
Yeah.
Oh jeez, I
I've
didn't even
noticed.
think about that.
It's a little noticeable, but it's not huge. Not huge.
You want to end with like a quarter of a tank, so it shouldn't be too drastic. Manufacturers try to design the plane with the tank near the center of gravity.
Oh. Sounds like it's starting to.
Sounds like
spit
it's
and
bogging
sputter.
down on the uphill.
Yeah. So does that mean I'm getting low on fuel, you think?
You know, could be. Cool thing about a little light plane like this is if you dead stick it, it'll just float right in.
We hope, anyway. Everyone might get to see that. It does just roll right over. I mean, it is very quick and snappy on those rolls. I'm not pushing it very far either. That's not me, so probably time to land it, right?
Yep, bring her in.
Amelia even knows it's time to land. She's like, that's not the right sound.
I can't. It's gonna die though. This has got to be it right here.
Pressure's on.
Oh yeah, big time.
I lost you in the cloud. There you go.
This is when my adrenaline starts pumping a little bit. Oh, that's it. We're landing.
Oh, you're fine.
Gotcha!
Yay! Good job, baby.
Wow.
Nitro Nate.
Nitro Nate, they're saying over there. That was probably the most nervous I've been flying a plane in a long time. You guys probably hear Amelia, she's getting a little hungry. But I just wanted to let you know that was an amazing experience. I love trying new things in the hobby. That's part of my favorite memories. I'm sure I'm going to remember this flight probably more than a lot of other flights for a very long time. It was just a really good experience. It flew just like an electric plane, but different. It sounded cool, it smelled cool, and I'm so glad that I got to have this experience. I'm going to fly this more. This is just going to be...
It's just going to be so bouncy.
Yeah, Abby's trying to bounce Amelia, trying to keep her calm. This was just really fun. I just want to encourage you guys, if you're a truck person, buy a plane or a drone. If you're a drone person, buy a plane or a truck. Get an RC boat for $40 or $50 that we reviewed on our channel. Try something new in the hobby. I can't stand when people only do one thing and they talk bad about another part of the hobby and they've never tried it. Try something. There are pros and cons to this. There are pros and cons to electric, but I know that this won't be the last glow plane that I have. I think someone might be trying to shoot down our planes. Anyway, really awesome experience. I'll do my best to link the stuff that I used in this video in the description box below. This is unlike most videos that we do. I just wanted to share this experience with you guys as much as I possibly could. I had a lot of fun. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!
So I know that glow plane probably brought back a lot of good memories for people that are flying electric now, and that's something that I can't really relate to. I've always flown electric my whole life, even bad electric back with fuses. But something that is bringing back awesome memories for me is this. Dylan.
Hey.
Dylan loves to tune into the channel, a couple other RC channels he watches, and he's met up at RCS Fest and he went on the trail hike with us, so you guys might remember him. Look what he has today. Check it out. You just got this, right?
Yeah, yesterday.
Is this your first model rocket?
Yep.
Okay, and don't hit it yet.
Okay.
Do not hit it yet.
Okay.
But look how tiny. Look how tiny. We're just gonna lose this rocket. We're gonna lose this. But they also have a couple larger ones with parachutes. So I thought you guys would like to tag along and have some fun with us. I wanna get behind the safety line. Yeah. Okay. It's gone. I see smoke. I smell the smoke. It's awesome.
As expected.
Yeah. So it did what we thought it would do. So cool. Man, this is how I started RC stuff. I had a few rockets before I got into planes. So cool. Are these Estes rockets? E-S-T-E-S?
Yes.
Yeah, the best. Okay, now, hold on. We got a little bit of wind coming in at us. A little stronger than what we just had. Do you want to, have you aimed that at all? Because I'm guessing at this, with this much wind, it might go in, I'm guessing it'll go inside that fence.
You think we should move it more and aim it more?
I think if you can aim it more that way, I would. Absolutely. Nice. Yeah, I'd just a hair. Just a hair. Okay, I think this is gonna be awesome. Yeah. Yeah! Yeah, good angle. Really good. Nice. There it is. Okay, this is gonna land right back beside us. Awesome. Sweet. I'm more excited than you. What are you doing? Yeah, no, it could be hot a little bit, yep. But just toward the bottom. It's probably cooled off by now, but it could be. Nice. Yes. So you can reuse that.
Yep.
Very cool. I love it. That one went higher. Yeah, that one went way higher.
Should be good. Wow.
Oh yeah, I see it now. Jeez.
Yeah, I see it.
That was awesome. Yep, the wind will get it. It's coming back. So cool. I'm easily impressed.
It's got a much steadier shoot.
Yes, it does. It's going to get more airtime. Yeah.
Actually, powder them so that they would hopefully not stick together.
Oh no. Oh no. So close. Yeah! No Death Valley. No Death Valley. Awesome.